Quad hello and welcome to Tech24. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dyson V11 Extra Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Nickel Red. This powerful and versatile cordless vacuum is your ultimate solution for whole home deep cleaning. With 60% more suction and up to 60 minutes of run time, the Dyson V11 Extra is designed for maximum performance. The battery-saving trigger helps maximize energy efficiency, while the LED screen displays remaining runtime and maintenance alerts for complete control of your clean. Engineered for homes with pets, the Dyson V11 Extra comes with a de-tangling motorber cleaner head that deep cleans carpets and hard floors, removing long hair and pet hair from the brush bar. It also converts to a handheld for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery, with 9 Dyson-engineered accessories for versatile cleaning. The advanced filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, while the washable filter can be reused for the lifetime of the machine, reducing waste. With 14 cyclones working to increase airflow and capture fine dust, your vacuum will never lose suction. Plus, with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're making a long-term investment in high-quality cleaning. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your cleaning routine with the Dyson V11 Extra. Click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the power and convenience of Dyson technology. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching Quad.